Hey guys, welcome back to the Collector Car Network. My name is Luke and I'm really excited to show you one of my favorite cars that we have seen. This is a 1970 Plymouth Cuda. Now the Cuda is a variant of the Barracuda. It was introduced in 1969, but in 1970 we saw the body kind of be refreshed to what we see today. Now when this body style was released, it totally captivated everybody's hearts with the aggressive stance that it had and standard 383. Now you could option this with 5 other high output engines, which is another reason why people loved this vehicle. Now before I tell you more, a quick word from our sponsor.
Life is too short to drive boring cars.
Alright, so off the bat, taking a look at this gorgeous high-impact Tor Red, like we saw on the Plymouth Duster. This was kind of Plymouth's Hemi orange, and it looks fantastic. But let's talk a little bit about what's on the exterior, starting off with the fog lights down below. And as we move up just a little bit higher, we do have our hood pins, and of course our wonderful shaker hood with the script written Hemi-Cuda. Now just above that shaker hood, we do have our emblem that says shaker, and I love how when you look at it, it looks like it's moving. I'm not quite sure how they did that, but it is such a cool feature. Now as we move down the line just a little bit further, we'll get to this Hemi hockey stripe. Gorgeous, definitely adding to that muscle car aesthetic that people just love the Cuda for. So similarly to the Roadrunner compared to the GTX, the Cuda variant offered a more performance-oriented, driving experience. It does have the black bucket seats, interior Rallye gauges, wood-rimmed steering wheel, and of course you get that functional center console. So what's powering this gorgeous beast? Well, in my opinion, the best factory option that you could get, which is the 426 Hemi. Now, this has diamond pistons, it has eagle connecting rods, and it is paired with a 727 TorqueFlite automatic transmission. This is exactly how I would option mine if I were to have a vehicle like this. Now, I don't really like to use the term iconic, but the 1970 Plymouth Cuda is definitely an icon. Now, if I was alive back then and I could afford a beast like this, I totally would have optioned it the exact same way in the same color. The only difference that I would have done is probably opt for a 1971 because I absolutely love the gills that you could get on the upper side of the fender. Those were only available in 1971. But nonetheless, this is a absolutely gorgeous vehicle, so we had to bring you guys just a quick little walk around, a quick little look at it. But I would love to hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. Thanks again, guys, for watching.